Namaskaram, viewers. You're all welcome to my astrological channel. Viewers, today's talk is basically focused on how the karmic planet Ketu, in conjunction with other planets, gives you good or bad results. Whatever mentioned in the Shastras, I will tell you. Let me tell you, it is the Ketu which is largely responsible for the corona crisis after 26th December 2019 eclipse. Ketu and Jupiter planet conjuncted in Sagittarius, and the world has seen never seen before a disaster in the form of coronavirus, and now situations are very volatile, just like a second world war. During those time also, Saturn was in Capricorn, and the role of Ketu and Rahu was very important, especially in 2020 up to September 23rd 2020. The time will be in the history because Ketu will remain in Sagittarius and Rahu in Gemini up to 23rd September 2020, and will be the time to see the devastating power of Ketu transit. Let me tell you, viewers, Ketu is just a point in the solar system. It is invisible, and hence it is called a shadowy planet. Ketu is also known by the name as dragon's tail and descending note. Let me tell you, viewers, as per Hindu astrology, Ketu is the body of a demon whose head was cut off by Lord Vishnu. It is also responsible, viewers, for various kinds of mishappenings in life, especially when conjoined with benefic house. It gives positive results, while being with malefic planets, the results may be very negative. Ketu increases the positive effects of the house where it is situated. In the present crisis situation, Ketu conjuncted with Jupiter. Jupiter is a planet of promotion, growth, development, and Ketu is a planet which destroy the growth, which create disaster. It destroyed the good effect of planet Jupiter after 26 December 2019 and created a situation where a virus dominates the world. Ketu is nothing, it's a virus. Rahu is also a virus. So we have to accept the power of the planets in shaping the nation's destiny, in shaping we person's destiny. Ketu, viewers, is believed to have a tremendous impact on human lives. Ketu in a conjunction with other planet gives different results. Let me tell you, for your kind information, you can check your own horoscope. If in your horoscope Sun is with Ketu, now what will happen? What Chintamani Chamatkar, Bhrigu Samhita, and many other astrological texts says. Sun with Ketu means Sun is considered weak when positioned with Ketu. Such people may face some eye problems, they will have weak bones. These people may face problems with the government and with their father. The native's father may face many difficulties. Ketu also give bad results in this conjunction, hence native's male child, maternal uncle, and other significations of Ketu suffers. For this, precautions, remedial measures must be taken to get the good effect of Ketu in life. If you are not taking any remedial measures, it will trouble you entire life because Sun and Ketu never match up. The next combination I will say from the ancient astrological text is Moon with Ketu. If in your horoscope, if there is a Moon with Ketu, These conjunction gives strong imagination as moon, the mind controller, is split by the Ketu. What is Ketu? It splits. It brings fire, disaster, mass killing, moksha karka. It is the Ketu which has killed innumerable people via coronavirus. Why? It wants to give moksha. What it is? Moksha karka. So many people have died, they never thought that they will die, and they achieved moksha, final emancipation, liberation. Who gave? It's Ketu. Why it gave? It is with Jupiter. Jupiter gives life and Ketu takes away. Ketu separates. So viewers, Shastra says moon with Ketu. Under malefic influences, this conjunction gives mental unrest and fears. Under favorable influence, this conjunction instigates towards positivity. The native can do multitasking and multi-threading in their mind. Moon with Ketu. What I have narrated from the Shastras for you, if you can watch in your horoscope and can have check your horoscope by a expert astrologer to guide you more in this respect. The third conjunction which I would like to convey you viewers, you can check in your horoscope is Mars with Ketu. Viewers, this is a volcano combination which gives too much of aggression, cruelty, high self-confidence, devilish thinking, cunning nature. One should exercise a lot of self-control over thoughts, words and actions. If they have this combination in their personal horoscope, the native can cause religious or racist war. The natives may have domestic property problems. I am not saying, the Shastra says. So if in your horoscope Mars Ketu combination is there, use remedial measures, you will definitely get relief and definitely able to pacify to some extent the bad effect of Mars Ketu in your personal life. Now comes yours Mercury with Ketu. These conjunctions prompt the native to do something new and different in his or her line of work. These conjunction gives imaginative power with revolutionary ideas. If Mercury is malefic, then this gives lack of proper judgment in a crisis unless loose talk and frustrations. Jupiter with Ketu. Viewers, although this conjunction is considered most auspicious, this is the best combination if it occurs in Sagittarius or Pisces sign. Jupiter's knowledge and wisdom are well utilized by Ketu instinct. The native, as a result of this conjunction, may achieve interest and success in spiritual pursuit. If Jupiter is badly placed, then this leads to unpopularity in social life and religious activities and disease in a mass order. In a mass way, it creates disease. Throughout your life, it will give you disease if this Jupiter is badly placed with Ketu. Now comes viewers, Venus with Ketu. Under favorable influence, viewers, this conjunction gives success in acting and writing. This conjunction gives birth to an urge for getting true love, and the native may get disappointed if true love is not found in this imperfect world. In many cases, viewers, this combination leads to lack of childlessness, impotence, or face problem of the late born baby or weak children. Now comes viewers, Saturn with Ketu. This conjunction makes life full of struggle, dissatisfaction and sorrow. People with such combination may face problems in their profession, but there is nothing to worry or be negative about it if one wants to evolve. Such a conjunction can refine a person and gives precious experience. Unless you suffer, you will not experience the life in a true form. If the entire life you enjoy happiness, you have not seen the other aspect of life. Ketu doesn't want to give you pain. It is a moksha karka. It helps you for God realization. When you suffer, you approach God for blessings. The more you suffer, the more you become humble and reach to the door of God Almighty. And there are more chances of your self realization of your enlightenment in this process. So Ketu benefits you, takes you to the path of enlightenment very easily and cut off your life from your personal happiness so that you pass your time in spirituality and God service. Now people ask me, what remedies should we take to make Ketu positive? As with people with negative Ketu look for shortcuts in life, one needs to remember to forget about taking any shortcuts. There are no shortcuts into success in life. There will be a process and remedies which can take time to give positive results, because the karma you have performed in your past life, they are the obstacle for your getting good results. Many of you have asked me, we are performing sadhana, puja, rituals daily, praying, so many hours, but then also our wishes are not fulfilled, our time, we are not seeing good time. Because there are karmas, viewers, you might have performed in your past birth called as sin, super sins. You might have performed very bad karmas. Because of that, your prayer is insufficient to neutralize those bad karmas. Hence, you need more prayer unless until those bad karmas of the past birth are nullified, neutralized. You never witness full good effect in this life in terms of your marriage, job, finance, happiness, health. I will recommend remedies to make Ketu positive, which mentioned in the Shastras. Number one, Kesar or saffron is a good remedy for Ketu. You can eat it, apply it as a tilak mixed with raw milk, drink it, use it any way you can. Number second, I will say the gemstone for planet Ketu is cat's eye stone, which is worn to remove the malefic effect of Ketu or to strengthen a weak Ketu. Wearing cat's eye gemstone gives the great benefits to its native. Third, I will say you should offer sweets to foundlings and homeless children to soothe the negativity of Ketu. Fourth, worship the ruling deity Shri Ganesha. Fifth, donating blankets to the homeless and downtrodden is one of the most effective remedies for Ketu I have found. Sixth, one should feed sweet bread to dogs daily. Seventh, donate black mustard seeds to black cow on Thursday. Eighth, yellow and white are considered to favorable colors for Ketu. You should avoid wearing anything grey in color. Ninth, I will say one should keep a fast on Thursday. 10th, I will say you chant the Ketu mantra Om Kem Ketve Namaha, Om Ketve Namaha 108 times daily to get the blessings of Ketu. Serve those people who are needy, help people who are suffering with disease, counsel those people who are sad, never cheat or deceive people, be spiritual, be religious more and more. Ketu will bless you and ultimately you connect with your ultimate reality. Thanks for your listening. Share my channel, subscribe. Shortly I am coming with another series of Ketu lectures. Stay in touch. Bye bye. See you.